Hey y'all, it's Melissa with Halos and Blooms, and I'm going to show you how to decorate a store-bought swag that I scored for $10 in an after-season clearance sale. It was regularly priced $30. I was able to grab it for $10. I'm going to add a few dollars worth of embellishments to it, and it's going to be phenomenal. So we've made a 5-loop bow. The loops are 12 inches, and we just use a pipe cleaner to tie it off and then attach it to the swag and fluff it. You know, we spend a lot of time fluffing our bows. And then you're going to kind of swag the ribbon down the center. I cut some short pieces of floral wire that I use to attach the ribbon to the frame, and I just create 2 loops going down the swag, and kind of move the pieces around if they're in my way. The branches are wired and very positionable. So we've done 2 bubbles down the center, and then we're going to cut off a tail and dovetail it. And then we're going to add some decorative balls. I also cut some sections of floral wire that I use to attach these to the frame. I just thread it through the holes, made sure I, captured a few of them so it was secure, and I used the floral wire to attach it to the frame. And I added a couple of these. You can move things out of your way once you start adding things. And here we'll add the second one. And then to finish it out, you could stop here, or you could take it a little over the top and add a little bit of bling to it by some, white flashy embellishments, some snowflakes if you're doing this for winter. But here you go. Here's the finished product. I hope you like it.